If you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to create a YouTube brand account, I will make sure that by the end of this video, you get what you want. Because this video is all about showing you how to create a YouTube brand account, so make sure to stick around. Hi, my name is VK. I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube brand account. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel and you are not yet a member of our Make Money Online Working From Home community, make sure to go down and like this video, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. With that said, let's dive into the video. Okay, to be able to create your brand account or your brand channel, make sure to log into your account on YouTube, and at the top right hand corner of your screen you will see your picture or an icon here that you will click on, and you click on your channel. This will take you directly to your channel, and if you haven't created a channel in the past, you will be able to create your channel starting from this page. But I know for sure if you at least liked a video on YouTube in the past, YouTube will automatically create a YouTube channel for you, and all you will need to do is to just customize your channel. And this is what I call your personal channel, and it doesn't give you the ability to do so many things on YouTube. It's like on Facebook where you have your own personal profile and you have the ability to create Facebook pages. So your YouTube brand account or your YouTube brand channel will function like a Facebook page, and it will give you more room to do so many things on your YouTube channel. So to create your brand account, you will go up here and click on your icon and click on settings. When you click on settings, you will come to a page that looks like this, and this is proof that you don't have any brand account created. And you will see the middle button here that says create a new channel. If you had a brand account created, you will see something that will look more like this. And instead of create a new channel, you will see add or manage your channel. And you will also see this button that says add or remove managers. And if you don't have a brand account, you will not be able to see that button. Like on this page, we don't have that button here. So to create a brand account, what we do is just to click on create a new channel. And here they ask for your brand account name, and you will be able to give a name to your new YouTube channel. The personal account is Will Village Demo, and I will call this Will Village Brand Demo, and click on create. When you click on that, you will come to a page that looks like this, which shows that your channel is created, and you can change the icon. You can also click on customize channel and click here to add a channel art, or here to customize your profile picture. You have the ability to add sessions, add featured channels, or create playlists on your channel. And all these are the same as if you have a personal account. Nothing have changed. It's just that this channel gives you the ability to add managers to your account. You can change the name of your channel to be something different than the name that you have on your Google account. And when you add your account managers to your account, they will not be able to see the email address that you're using to create your YouTube channel. And you will not be obliged to give out your personal details like your password. This is my mission today, and I hope you got value from my video. If you do, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe. That way, next time I post a new video, I will send you a notification. I will also make sure to leave in the description of this video more resources to help you set up your YouTube channel and take it to the next level. I really appreciate your time. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.